Tired of approving every single transaction in your Phantom wallet? Let's explore how to potentially speed things up while staying secure. First, open your Phantom wallet. You'll find the settings menu by clicking the icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 horizontal lines. It's typically located in the top right or bottom right corner of the wallet interface. Now, within settings, look for a section related to transaction approvals, advanced settings, or something similar. Unfortunately, Phantom doesn't have a direct auto-approve all button for security reasons. Instead, some wallets allow you to create a list of trusted applications or websites. This is where you'll potentially find options related to auto-approving transactions for specific verified platforms you regularly use. Check if Phantom has a similar feature to whitelist addresses or dApps. For some dApps, you may also have the option to set spending limits by pre-approving a maximum spending amount. You can streamline smaller transactions with that dApp without constant confirmation prompts, but be sure to only do this for dApps that you trust. Remember, auto-approving transactions, even partially, significantly increases the risk of losing funds if a malicious app gains access. Always double-check the legitimacy of any website or app before adding it to a trusted list or setting spending limits. So while a full auto-approve feature isn't usually available for strong security, using trusted app lists and spending limits strategically could speed up your transaction flow where applicable. Be sure to double-check that you are always practicing due diligence.